Welcome to Crack It Life.
All right, so there is a question of um, doing business with governments, and quite frankly, the truth is, I don't know about other countries, but I know it's pretty much the same. But the government is still the highest spender. The government is still the highest spender. If you look at the budget of the federal government and across states, and let me just stay at federal and state government, you will see huge amount of money budgeted for different sectors for different projects. So as a business person, it's good to look in the direction of government. I remember our organization had a strategy formulation for a particular company last year. So we did a retreat and we came up with 5 year strategy formulation. And when they look at the budget, the projection that was made, it looked so huge. I mean, for them at that level, at that point, they were projecting making $300,000 revenue. And whilst the conversation was ongoing as to how do we ramp up clients, to be able to make this money. The MD just said, you know what, hey guys, if we do 2 projects with governments, with Lagos state government, at 120 million each, that's already 120 million, that's 220 million, which at that time, at 1,000 naira for a dollar exchange rate, was exactly $240,000, which will leave their projection at just $60,000 to make up for the entire year. And before the end of the first quarter of that year, they had already began the first project. So my point is, government, doing project business with government is one of the ways you can not just meet but exceed your target for the year. But the question is, how do you do business with government? So I'm throwing this out to you viewers out there. What are the challenges to doing business with Nigerian government, and how do we resolve those challenges? Please, I'd like you to go there, drop your comments, make your suggestion. I want to learn from you. I'm not an expert completely. And maybe we'll bring someone who will come and have that conversation here on this Crack It Business show. But right now, I'd like you to go to the comment section and drop the challenges or the issues that you have had doing business, trying or attempting to do business with government, and how, with all the lessons learned, how you think that can be resolved. But whatever is the case, we need to find ways of doing business with government. Governments have intentions, they come up with a budget, they want to do projects, they need well-meaning Nigerians to execute those projects. But a lot of us business owners, we don't play there, right? We think it's too complicated, the documentation required, all of the red tape, bureaucracy and everything. But there are people who have maneuvered this. And I'd like to read your comments. Please go there, make a comment, and share this with as many people as you can. And please, if you are watching this show, click and like and subscribe to Crack It Live. And let's get this conversation going. Right. Thank you.